Hello! Welcome to our first lesson in the Write Like a Pro series. Today, we are mastering narrative writing. What is narrative writing? Narrative writing is the art of storytelling. It takes your reader on a journey from a beginning to a clear end. Let's learn how to make your stories unforgettable. To write a strong and engaging narrative, we follow 4 simple steps. The first step is the beginning, also called the exposition. The second step is the middle, also called the rising action. The third step is the climax. The final step is the ending, also called the resolution. Let's discuss all steps one by one. Beginning. This is the part where we introduce the most important elements of the story. First, we meet the characters. Characters are the people, animals, or creatures in the story. The main character is often called the protagonist. Next, we write about the setting. The setting tells us where and when the story takes place. For example, the story might happen in a school, a forest, or a small village. It could take place in the morning, at night, or many years ago. Finally, we get the introduction. This is where the author gives us the background information we need to understand the story. We learn who the characters are, where they are, and what is happening at the start. A good beginning helps the reader understand the world of the story. Let's look at an example. Emma was a careful and responsible girl who lived in a small seaside town. One warm summer evening, she was getting ready for her grandmother's birthday party. As she stood in her room, she gently placed a beautiful silver necklace around her neck. It was a special gift from her grandmother, and she treasured it deeply. In this paragraph, the characters are Emma and her grandmother. Emma is the main character, and her grandmother is also an important character because she gave Emma the special necklace. The setting is a small seaside town on a warm summer evening and Emma's room. The introduction tells us that Emma is a careful and responsible girl. She is getting ready for her grandmother's birthday party, and the necklace is very special to her. 2. Middle. This is where the problem begins. Something happens that creates a challenge for the characters. The story becomes more interesting, and the reader wants to know what will happen next. Let's read the middle of the story. As Emma arrived at the party, she laughed and talked with her family. Later that evening, she touched her neck and suddenly froze. The silver necklace was gone. Her heart began to race as she searched her room, the garden, and the dining hall, but the necklace was nowhere to be found. The middle is where the problem begins. Emma realizes that her necklace is missing. She searches everywhere, and the suspense starts to build because the reader wants to know whether she will find it. The third step is the climax. The climax is the most exciting part of the story. It is the turning point where the main problem reaches its highest point. Let's read the climax of the story. Just as Emma was about to give up, she noticed a faint sparkle beneath the garden bench. She ran toward it and reached down with trembling hands. There, hidden among the flowers, was her silver necklace. The climax is the most exciting part of the story. Emma finally discovers the necklace under the garden bench. This is the turning point because the main problem is about to be solved. The fourth and final step is the ending, also called the resolution. This is where the problem is solved and the story comes to a close. We learn what happens to the characters after the climax. Let's read the ending of the story. Emma carefully picked up the necklace and clasped it around her neck. She hugged her grandmother with relief and happiness. From that day on, Emma promised to keep her precious necklace in a safe place. The ending is where the problem is solved. Emma finds the necklace and feels happy again. She also learns to take better care of things that are important to her. Great job! You now have the architecture of a professional narrative. In our next lesson, we will dive deeper into building complex characters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing secrets. See you next time!